Oppo is set to expand its smartphone lineup in the country with an addition to the F series. The Chinese smartphone maker is going to launch two new smartphones, the Oppo F21 Pro and F21 Pro 5G, at an online event scheduled at 5 p.m. today. The event will be live streamed on the company's social media channels and its official YouTube channel. The company is also speculated to release its latest pair of TWS earbuds at the event. The Oppo Onco Air 2 TWS earbuds are expected to be launched at this event as well. The Oppo F21 Pro price in India is likely to be around Rs 21,990, whereas the F5G model may cost around Rs 25,990. The smartphone is expected to go for its first sale between April 15th and 20th through both online and offline channels. However, the pre-order is now open on the company's official website. The Oppo F21 Pro is likely to sport a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus display with 60Hz refresh rate, Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 processor.